Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to fix the issue of keyboard arrow keys not working properly in Excel. First, you can see my arrow keys are working fine. When I press the right or down arrow key, the selection moves to the next cell. But now I will press the scroll lock button on the keyboard. After turning it on, when I press the arrow keys, instead of moving to the next cell, the entire worksheet moves. The active cell does not change. You can also see scroll lock written on the bottom status bar in Excel. If you want to check whether scroll lock status is visible, right-click on the status bar at the bottom. Make sure scroll lock is checked. If it has a tick mark, it means its status will be displayed on the bottom bar. What if your keyboard doesn't have a scroll lock key? If your keyboard does not have a scroll lock button, 1. Go to the Windows search bar. 2. Type on-screen keyboard and open it. 3. On the virtual keyboard, you will see the SCARLK scroll lock key highlighted if it is turned on. 4. Click on it to turn it off. 5. Close the on-screen keyboard. Now your arrow keys will work normally again and move between cells. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.